Hello my dear students, today's lesson is regrouping for addition. How we regroup? Here we have some example. I will explain on it. Here we have 47. So we will answer by drawing the sticks for 40. So how many sticks we will draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the ones? We have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What about the 9? 9 is in the ones. So we will draw 9 square. Here we need to get the result. What we should do? We will look at the ones. Here we have 7 and here we have 9. We want the 9 to be a 10. So we will take 1 from here and we put it here. So this answer will be a 10. So you will add another stick. So we have here 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will add the 5th one. And how many in the ones? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be here 50. 5 tenths, it will be 56. Let's take another example. We have here 16 plus 25. So here, how many sticks? 1 sticks for the tenths. And how many in the ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about here? 25. How many in the tenths? 1 and 2. And how many in the ones? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is close to the 10? 6 or 5? 6. So we will take how many to be 10? 4. We will take from here 4, 3, 4, and we put them here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is a 10. So we will add another stick. So here we have 1, 2, and here we already have 2. So 3, 4. What about the ones? Only 1 left. So we will put the 1. So here the answer 4 tenths. So it means 41. So this is the answer. Let's see another example. Here we have 52. So how many sticks here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many in the ones? 2. 1, 2. What about 18? 1. And the ones will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Which one is closest to 10? 8. So we will take the 2 from here and we cross them. So we add the 2. So here we have 5 and here we have 1 and we added another 1. So 6 and 7. So we will draw 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how many in the ones? We finished here the ones and this is became 10. So we don't have in the ones. So we have here the answer is 7 tenths. It will be 70. Okay, this is page 38. Let's go to page 40. Okay, here we have add with regrouping or without regrouping. Let's see some examples. If we have here 56 plus 4, we add the ones together. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So one chair cannot hold two numbers. So we will put the ones with the ones, which is the 0. What about the 1? It goes with the tens. So we put it with the tens here. So we will add 5 plus 1 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. Here another example. 27 plus 64. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So we said before that the chair cannot hold the ones and the tens together. So we put the ones, which is 1, and we put the tens, which also is 1, up with the tens. So 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, what about here? We have 47 plus 37, 7 plus 7 equals 14. So we said that the chair cannot hold the units, the ones and the tens together. So we have to put the 4, the ones, and the 1 with the tens here, and we add them together. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 3, after 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 84. Here another example. 87 plus 9. 9 plus 7 or 7 plus 9 equals 16. So we put the ones under the ones, which is 6, and we add the 1, which is the tens, with the tens up here. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Another example. 67 plus 33. 7 plus 3 equals 10. The ones here is 0. What about the 1? We added with the tens. So we put it here. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So we have to put here the 10. So the result is 100. Okay, here we have 53 plus 14. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. In this example, we don't have two numbers. So that's why we didn't put the 1 or anything in the tens. Here, another example. 56 plus 7 equals 6 plus 7 equals 13. So the 3 is in the ones, and we put the 1 with the tens, so we put it here. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Here another example. 77 plus 17. 7 plus 7 equals 4. So we put the 4 with the ones. What about the 1? We put it with the tens because it's in the tens. So we put it here. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. We have here another example. 34 plus 52. 4 plus 2 equals 6. This is another example. We don't have tens, so only it's 6, so it's with the ones. 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's right. And here another example. 61 plus 29. What we should do here? 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9 equals 10. So we put the ones with the ones, which is the 0. And what we do with the 1? We put it with the tens. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So it's 90. What about here? 55 plus 15. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 0 with its ones and the 1 with the tens. 5 plus 1 equals 6 and 6 plus 1 equals 7. Here another example. 81 plus 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And what we should do with the 1? We put it with the tens. That's right. Add 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. So the answer will be 90. Here another page. Okay, and now page 41. Add with regrouping or without regrouping. 38 plus 72. Let's make our draft here. 38 plus 72. Here 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we put the 0 with the ones and the 1 we put it with the tens. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. So the answer will be 110. What about here? 32 plus 9. So we will make it here 32 plus 9. The ones under the ones. 9 plus 2 equals 11. That's right. And we put the ones with the ones, which is the 1, and we have another 1. We put it with the tens. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 41. So the answer will be here 41. What about here? 56 plus 27. Let's make our draft. 56 plus 27. 7 plus 6 equals 13. The ones with the ones, which is the 3 and the 1, we put it on the tens. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So the answer will be here 83. What about here? 29 plus 73. We take the biggest number, which is the 73, plus 29. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Which one we should put with the ones? The 2. And what about the 1? Yes, that's right. We put it with the tens. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So the answer will be 102. Here another example. 74 plus 14. Let's make our draft. 74 plus 14. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals also 8. So the answer will be 88. What about here? 27 plus 57. Here, which one is the biggest? 57 plus 27. Here, 7 plus 7 equals 14. Which one is in the ones? The 4. That's right. And what about the 1? We added on the tens. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So the answer is 84. What about here? 71 plus 9. What we should do? 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we put the 0 on the ones and we add the 1 with the tens. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. So the answer will be here 80. That's right. What about here? 29 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equals 14. So the 4 with the ones and the 1 with the tens. That's right. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer here will be 34. And that's it, my dear students.